Hey everyone, welcome back to Turbo Trends. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting pickups hitting the roads soon, the 2026 Volkswagen Amarok. Whether you're a hardcore truck fan, an off-road adventurer, or just love seeing how far modern pickups have come, this one's for you. Volkswagen has officially pulled back the curtain on the 2026 Amarok. And let me tell you, it's not just a facelift. This is a full-on evolution. It's built tougher, smarter, and more premium than ever. And what makes it even more interesting is that it shares its platform with the latest Ford Ranger. That's right, a Ford and VW are collaborating under the skin, but both brands are still doing their own thing with design, performance, and features. From the outside, the 2026 Amarok has a bold and muscular stance. The front grille is large and imposing, with LED matrix headlights that give it an aggressive, high-tech look. Volkswagen has given the Amarok a more SUV-like feel, with clean lines and premium touches that make it stand out in the crowded pickup segment. The rear end also looks sharp with new tail light designs and a sculpted tailgate that proudly features the Amarok branding. But it's not just about looking tough, this thing backs it up with serious off-road capability. Depending on the trim, you'll find advanced 4Motion all-wheel drive systems, rear differential locks, and multiple off-road driving modes. Ground clearance has been improved, and the approach and departure angles make it ready for serious trail work. Whether you're rock crawling or just navigating a muddy construction site, the 2026 Amarok is ready for the job. Under the hood, there are several engine options depending on the market. In many regions, you'll get a choice between a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbo diesel and a more powerful 3.0-liter V6 TDI. The V6 is the one enthusiasts are buzzing about. It's smooth, torquey, and perfect for towing, hauling, or powering through tough terrain. There are also rumors of a plug-in hybrid version coming later, which could be a game-changer for urban drivers who want electric power with truck utility. Inside the cabin, things get really premium. Volkswagen has gone all out to make the Amarok feel like a luxury SUV on the inside. There's a massive vertical touchscreen in the center, up to 12 inches in size, running VW's latest infotainment system. You've got digital gauges, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium audio system, and even features like heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and a 360-degree camera system. There's more legroom than ever thanks to a longer wheelbase, and the rear seats are comfortable enough for long road trips or worksite carpools. The materials are soft touch where they matter, and everything feels solid and well built, exactly what you'd expect from VW. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. The 2026 Amarok includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and even a feature that warns you if traffic is approaching when you're opening your door. It's built to be a daily driver, a weekend warrior, and a family hauler all in one. Volkswagen is also offering a wide range of trims for the Amarok. You've got the base model that's more utilitarian and work-focused, all the way up to high-end versions like the Pan Americana and Aventura, which bring serious luxury and off-road upgrades. There's also a dark-themed style variant that's more urban and aggressive in appearance. No matter your vibe, there's likely an Amarok trim that fits it. Towing capacity, you're looking at around 3.5 tons, depending on engine and spec. Payloads are strong too, making it a true workhorse. But what makes the 2026 Amarok stand out is how it balances rugged capability with real refinement. It's not just a truck, it's a modern lifestyle vehicle. Now let's talk customization. VW knows pickup buyers love to personalize, and the Amarok supports that with a huge range of accessories. From sports bars and rolled covers to snorkels, roof racks, and upgraded lighting packages, you can easily turn this into a serious adventure rig or a sleek urban cruiser. Fuel economy will vary depending on the engine, but VW's latest diesels are impressively efficient for the power they deliver. And if that hybrid model drops in 2027 as expected, it could give Amarok owners a clean, green option that doesn't sacrifice performance. So who is the 2026 Amarok for? Honestly, it hits a wide target. If you're coming from a Toyota Hilux or Ford Ranger, The Amarok offers a more premium feel. If you've never owned a truck before but want utility without giving up comfort or tech, it's perfect. And for those loyal to VW who've been waiting for a true global pickup that lives up to the brand's reputation, your wait is over. Release dates and pricing will vary by region, but expect to see the Amarok in showrooms starting late 2025 into early 2026. Pricing is expected to be competitive with other midsize pickups, but you'll definitely be getting a bit more in terms of features and finish. So what do you think? Is the 2026 Amarok the truck you've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's talk about it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Turbo Trends, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest in automotive news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.